Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are diving into BeeWaveWork, which is a freelance platform promising you an easy way to make money online. But before we jump in, watch this review. There are some shocking details that you need to know. And if you're serious about earning online the smart way, you can check the link in the description for a better alternatives. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. At first glance, the BeeWaveWork claim to be a great platform for the freelance work, but something feels off. The website design looks outdated, and there is very little information about what you actually be doing until you sign up. For a platform that is supposed to help you earn money, this lack of transparency is a big red flag. So once you sign up, you will find the tasks like answering random questions such as what's good vitamin for seniors, and you can write anything and they will still approve it. Sounds odd, right? While you can earn a small amount with their free plan, about $4 a day, they push you to upgrade to the paid plans with promises of higher earnings. But here is the kicker: the upgrades require you to pay a performance bond, which can range from hundreds to thousands of dollars. This performance bond system is highly unusual. Legitimate freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr don't charge the upfront fees to access the tasks. Plus, many users report issues like the frozen accounts and denied payouts and false promises. Negative reviews on the sites like Trustpilot suggest BeeWaveWork might be a cleverly disguised scam. So instead of risking your hard earned money on the platforms like this, why not explore a proven and trustworthy way to earn online? I have included the link in the description to my top recommendation, a platform that has helped thousands to start earning without shady fees or complicated terms. It is simple, secure, and gets real results. So there you have it. BeeWaveWork may look tempting, but the risks for outweigh the rewards. So don't waste your time or money here, and you can check out the link in the description for smarter and safer way to start earning online today. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more these types of honest reviews. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.